guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another Halloween look, and this time we're going to reuse these old cat ears that you've been using since middle school to be a black cat, but today we're going to be a cheetah. So we have some cute little spots, we have a pretty simple gold cat eye and a two-tone lip, and we are ready for Halloween this year. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm ready to start this look. I have foundation, concealer, and powder on, and I also have my brows done. So I'm taking the Huda Rose Gold Beauty Palette, and I'm going to take the color Sandalwood and just apply that to my crease. Okay, and now I'm going to take the color Cocoa and put that right on the outer corner and blend that into the crease as well. Okay, and now I'm just going to take a smaller blending brush and take those same two colors, Sandalwood and Cocoa, and just blend those on my lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to apply some glitter to my lid, so I'm using the color 24K from the same palette, and I'm applying that with my finger directly onto the lid. Alright, now I'm going to add some winged liner, because how can I be a cheetah without a cat eye? Okay, and now I'm just going to add a little liner to the inner corner to give that appearance of a full cat-like eye. Okay, and now taking that same liquid liner, I'm just going to line my waterline. Okay, and perfect. That eye is done. And now I'm going to complete the other eye off camera and add some mascara. Okay, so our golden cat eye is complete, and the mascara I used, by the way, is NYX Worth the Hype mascara. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face and start drawing in some cheetah spots. So I just have black liquid eyeliner. This is Ico London liquid liner, and I'm just going to start on my forehead and make little shapes like this. Basically, you want to draw little circles but not connect the lines all the way. So you can either draw little parenthesis shapes like this, or you can draw little horseshoes like that. And we're going down the side of my temple and under the eye. Alright, so I think I'm all set with the spots on my face. You can have as many or as few as you like and make them various sizes and shapes, but I'm all set with what I have here. So now I'm going to fill it in with glitter. I have the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, which is a gold glitter. You can use any golden eyeshadow, any gold glitter that you own. And now we're just going to fill in the spots with glitter. Okay, and so I'm going to skip the drawing in of the nose because I don't really like the way it looks, and I'm going to move on straight to lips. So I have two different matte lipsticks we're using today. One is a dark brown and one is a lighter nude. You can either use a dark brown or a black lipstick, doesn't matter, but we're only going to do our top lip with the darker color. Make sure you don't press your lips together for this step. Okay, the lips are done. Now I just want to add some finishing touches to the rest of the face. So I'm going to bronze using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer on a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take this on my forehead and just really warm up the face. Okay, and now I'm going to highlight the face using this Anastasia highlighting palette, and I'm going to take the color Glow Getter because it is more golden and just highlight my face with that. Hit those temples. And down my nose and my cupid's bow. And honestly, we can just kind of highlight around the spots. Be careful not to mess them up. And then just really go in on this side of the face. Okay, and this look is complete. We have transformed ourselves into an easy but super cute cheetah for Halloween. If you like this look and you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at SophiaDoingMakeup. I just want to thank everyone who watches my videos. I'm having so much fun making these, and I hope that you keep on watching. Bye guys!